Hi, Sally Hancock here, and today I'm going to try my hand at making some homemade texture paste. So it just takes a few ingredients, some white acrylic paint, some all-purpose glue, and I'm trying a method that uses baby powder. I've also seen baking soda used, or cornstarch. So start off with, you take a 1/4 cup of baby powder. So I'll just fill up my cup here. Smells good. Okay. Then you take 1 tablespoon of glue. Oops, oh dear, I just got glue everywhere. Kind of scrape that off. Okay, then shake up my paint a bit. And 1 tablespoon of the white paint. Okay, scrape that into there as well. Stir it up. Now it says it should be like a oh, that was kind of going every which way. Be a toothpaste texture. So I thought I'd mix this up pretty good before I add any water. See how much I'll need. Okay, looks pretty mixed in. Just add a little bit of water. That looks like it's just about right. That looks about toothpaste-ish. Kind of a blue tint to it, but that's fine because I plan on coloring it. All right. Well, that is my experiment of homemade texture paste, so it looks pretty good. So we'll try that out on a project. Thanks for watching.